The purpose of this video presentation is to introduce you to a 20-plus profit opportunity with an exceptional company that owns high-profit real estate and solar energy projects in Canada and the United States. Greenbriar Capital was established in 2009 and is listed on Toronto Venture Exchange and the US OTC market. Greenbriar consists of high-margin real estate assets, solar energy, and sustainable technologies. Jeff Ciachurski is the founder. He is vastly knowledgeable, completed $3.6 billion in transactions, and successfully sold his previous company to Brookfield Renewable Energy Partners for the price of $420 million cash. Greenbriar has three major projects: the 995 Homesage Ranch residential community in California, 400 megawatts of solar projects in Alberta, Canada, and the largest solar power project in the Caribbean. It obtained the land for Sage Ranch in 2011 at a historically low purchase price. After a decade of development, Sage Ranch was fully approved in September 2021 to build 985 homes. This project will be divided into homes from 950 square foot apartments to 2,600 square foot attached houses with a near-zero carbon footprint. The average price of $480,000 per unit is far more conservative than the average sales price in California. The project is expected to achieve sales of $480 million and net profits of more than $180 million. The Sage Ranch project is proud to partner with senior real estate expert Paul Morris, who will lead sales and marketing team. Paul is in charge of the middle and southern regions of California for Keller Williams, with annual sales of $24 billion comprising 22,000 annual transactions through 8,400 agents, and has obtained more than 350 expressions of interest for purchase from individual buyers and from large buyers for the whole project. Jeff and his team have over 20 years of experience in real estate and renewable energy, completing over $180 billion in transactions and delivering more than 1,000% returns for investors on many other companies. Additionally, Greenbriar is working on two renewable energy projects. One is 160 megawatt Montalva solar farm and energy storage project in Puerto Rico, which Greenbriar is actively negotiating with all levels of government to promote the early building of the project. The other is the Alberta photovoltaic project in Canada, where Greenbriar has signed a long-term energy supply agreement with Westlake Energy, which is 100% owned by large Chinese investment funds. Westlake is a large oil and gas producer with over 15,000 barrels per day of oil production, and under the agreement, Greenbriar will build, own, and operate a 90-megawatt solar power generation project. And additionally, the two companies have signed a framework agreement to jointly own a 400-megawatt solar power station in Alberta. Westlake and its large institutional Chinese shareholders will assist Greenbriar in obtaining the best quality solar equipment from China. As a listed company with a small market capitalization, Greenbriar Capital has a solid foundation and great potential for future 20-plus growth. The company owns the tangible assets of the Sage Ranch project land with no debt and is currently making solid progress to their projects in Alberta and Puerto Rico. Once any one of these three major projects start construction, they will provide the company with the assurance of continuous cash flow, hence reflecting its full intrinsic value. Greenbriar will achieve its goal of being listed on the Nasdaq in the near future in order to maximize shareholders' value. Greenbriar anticipates over $100 million on profits per year in the not-too-distant future. We welcome you on board.